To set up Samsung TV Plus, start by ensuring your Samsung TV has an internet connection, as it will automatically begin playing when you turn on your TV. If it doesn't start playing, you can access it by clicking the app bar at the bottom of your screen or by pressing the Samsung TV Plus button on your remote. The app will activate automatically, so no manual setup is required. You can then toggle between Live to watch live TV and Discover to browse through various channels. To remove unwanted channels from your list, select Channel List, then Edit Channels, and click on the channels you want to delete. Samsung TV Plus is also accessible on other Samsung devices, including mobile phones and tablets, provided they have Android version 8.0 or higher. Setting up Samsung TV Plus is a straightforward process, and with these simple steps, you can start enjoying it on your device.